Hello everyone, Brian Reynolds here from RMA. Today we're going to be talking about the Tactical Medical Kit, also known as the IFAK, the Individual First Aid Kit. Now we're going to go over the kit and the contents inside. Easy open zippers, obviously. Some of the stuff inside is going to come with 2 sets of rubber gloves in a cool cutty brown color. Also, we're going to have 2 packs of wound packing gauze. On the other side, we have a cat tourniquet. This here is, it's going to be Israeli trauma gauze for packing wounds or covering wounds. Next thing we have here is the polycarbonate eye patch. God forbid your eyeballs hanging out, but this will help with that. Next we have some trauma shears. Help cut away all those expensive boots and pants and everything else that we hate getting cut off. The last thing in the kit is a sucking chest wound seal. It's got molly straps on the back, so we can carry this on our packs pretty easy. It's very light. If we're going to be involved in some type of tactical situation, this stuff is obviously essential to have on us to either help ourselves or our fellow law enforcement brothers and sisters. These kits come in 4 separate colors. As you see, I'm holding the black one. They also come in Ranger Green, Multicam, and Coyote Brown. The 3 solid colors sell for $89.99 each, and the Multicam is $109.99. If you have any questions, go to rmadefense.com, and they can help you out with anything you need.